Good morning, students. So today again we are going to discuss about the chapter Does It Look the Same? Chapter number 5 of your NCERT book. In the previous video we have discussed some of the symmetric figures having one line of symmetry or more than one line of symmetry, and also some of the figures having no line of symmetry. Today also we will discuss some of the symmetric figures. So let's start. So first I will start with this figure. The figure name is trapezium. Now what is trapezium? As you can see this figure, in trapezium this top side, this upper side and this bottom side, these two lines are parallel, and the remaining two, they are not parallel. This upper side and lower side, these two lines, they are parallel, and the remaining two sides are not parallel. So it is clear from the figure that you cannot draw any line of symmetry because it will not get divided into equal halves. Now what is line of symmetry? As we have discussed, a line which divides the figure into equal halves. So in this case you cannot draw any line, so it has no line of symmetry. Is the first figure, trapezium. Now second figure is isosceles trapezium. Now what is isosceles? You have heard about isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means a triangle whose two sides are equal. This is isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means a trapezium in which two sides are equal. Again you can see this is the figure. This top side and this bottom side, they are parallel, and these two lines, I have given this equal sign. Here also equal sign, here also equal sign. Now what is the meaning of this? That means these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. That's why it is called isosceles trapezium. And clearly it has one line of symmetry. As you can see, from the middle we have drawn one line of symmetry. So in case of trapezium, we have no line of symmetry. And in case of isosceles trapezium, this is isosceles trapezium, we have one line of symmetry. Okay. Now moving to next figure, we have parallelogram. Now what is parallelogram? This is the figure. Parallelogram here, this top and bottom side, okay, they are parallel and equal. Parallel and equal. And this side, these two sides also, they are parallel and equal. Okay. So here for this figure we have no line of symmetry. We have no line of symmetry. We cannot draw any line of symmetry. We cannot. So this is the figure. Again I am telling this top side and bottom side, they are parallel and equal, and these two sides are also parallel and equal. Such figure is called parallelogram. It has no line of symmetry. Next figure is very important. That is a regular pentagon. Now what is pentagon? Pentagon means it has five sides. As you can see, this is the figure. So first let me discuss about, so remember pentagon means five sides. What is the meaning of regular? Regular means all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. All sides are equal and all angles are also equal. And this is the figure. You can see it has five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is five angles also. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also 5. So it has how many lines of symmetry? As you can have drawn, it has 5 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This figure is very important. So regular pentagon, it has 5 lines of symmetry. So again I am telling what is regular. Pentagon means it has 5 sides, and regular means all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. It has 5 lines of symmetry. Next figure, it has no name, it's like an arrow. You can see the figure. So here clearly how many lines of symmetry are there? 2. It has 2 lines of symmetry. It has 2 lines of symmetry, this figure. Okay. Now next one is hexagon. Again hexagon. Now hexagon means 6 sides, and regular, as I have told, regular means all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. Now this is the figure. This is a regular hexagon. Here there are 6 sides and there are 6 angles, as you can see, 1 2 3, and that side 3. So this is a regular hexagon and it has 6 lines of symmetry, as I've written here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It has 6 lines of symmetry. This is a regular hexagon. This regular pentagon and regular hexagon, these two are very important figures, and all passes through a point. This is the point, okay? So it has 6 lines of symmetry. Now next to figure, this one, as you can see, this is a simple lock. Here obviously it has 1 line of symmetry, as you can see, and this one, it's like a glass. It also has 1 line of symmetry. So I've written here 1 line of symmetry. These two figures, it has 1 line of symmetry. One is lock and another is a glass. 1 line of symmetry. So next figure, this one is like a cross, as you can see here. So it has how many lines of symmetry? As you can see, it has 4 lines of symmetry. It has 4 lines of symmetry. Next one, this is another figure. Okay, so how many lines? It has 2 lines of symmetry. It has 2 lines of symmetry. This one, it's like a star. So it has how many lines of symmetry? As you can see, 2 lines of symmetry. And the last figure for today, this is like a Xmas tree. Okay, it has also 1 line of symmetry. So what you have to do, you have to draw all these figures. Okay, you have to draw all these figures using pencil, and you have to draw, for this line of symmetry you have to use dotted lines, obviously with pencil. And the figures that I've discussed, which are very important figures, is this one. It's a regular hexagon. It has 6 lines of symmetry, this figure. You practice. And another figure is this one. It's a regular pentagon. It has 5 lines of symmetry. Okay. And one more thing, Tuesday I'm going to upload a worksheet on money. Okay, worksheet on money. So please download the PDF and do the sums. So today up to this. Thank you.